I'm going to show you how to link your Tapo smart light switch to your Wi-Fi. First thing you got to do is download an app. And once you download the app, hit the Tapo, then hit the plus sign up in the corner, add device, then go to switches button and look for your model number. And your model numbers is usually on the side of the box. So this one is the Tapo S505. So look for the Tapo S505, which is this one. Before we start, have you already wire up your smart switch? Which in case I already did, so I hit yes. Is it already orange and green? And yes. So mine is already. So I select that. And now I was searching for it and found it. Then click on your Wi-Fi network. My case is this one. And then type in your password. So I'm going to do that. And then it's connecting to your network. Then you get to name your device. So in this case, I'm going to name garage light switch. You get to do location, home, and then choose an icon. So just leave it as is. Then you get to do your firmware update. It looks like this one needs firmware update. And once that's all complete, you're ready to use it. That's it. That's all to it.